If you have been looking for a natural and affordable way to boost your hair growth without a lot of products, then keep on watching because what I'm about to show you has been making a serious difference for my scalp. I made a hair growth herbal tea using full dry herbs, lemongrass, stinking nettle, fenugreek seeds, and cloves, and I turned it into a scalp spray that can also be used as a leave-in conditioner and a pre-poo treatment. I'm going to give you the exact recipe, show you how to make it, and tell you the different ways I use it, including how I pair it with my Secret Caffeine Scalp Stimulator oil for maximum growth. Before we get into the recipe, let me quickly break down why I picked these four herbs because understanding what goes on your scalp matters, especially if you have dealt with hair loss or alopecia like I have. To make your tea, you will need 2 cups of hot water. I just heated it in the microwave. After that, I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of dry lemongrass. Lemongrass has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that cleanse the scalp and help with dandruff and buildup. A clean scalp is a foundation for everything. Next, I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of stinking nettle leaves. Stinking nettle is one of the most powerful herbs for hair. It is packed with thichhair, iron, and vitamins that strengthen the hair follicles, and studies have shown it can help block DHT, which is one of the key hormones linked to hair loss in women. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein and nicotinic acid. They nourish the hair shaft, reduce breakage, and support scalp circulation. If your edges has been thinning or your growth has stalled, fenugreek is a game changer. I'm also going in with 2 teaspoons of our fenugreek seed. Our last ingredient is our cloves. The eugenol compound in cloves is a natural scalp stimulator. It increases blood flow right at the root, which means more nutrients are getting to your follicles. This is the same reason caffeine works for hair growth, by the way. You can find all of these herbs at a health food store, African or Caribbean grocery, or online. They are affordable and they go a long way. Most herbal teas steep for 5 to 10 minutes, but for a scalp treatment, you want maximum potency. You want every bit of those nutrients, minerals, and active compounds pulled into the water. So I steep mine for 2 full hours. I know that feels long, but this is for your hair we are talking about. Be patient. After 2 hours, strain the tea through a fine strainer or cheesecloth to catch all the herbs pieces. What you have left should be a deep, rich color liquid that smells absolutely amazing, earthly, warming, and herbal. There are various ways you can use this tea. So let me tell you those ways while I am applying the tea to my hair. My number one way is my scalp spray plus oil. I'm going in with my caffeine oil and the tea. I part my hair in sections and spray this tea directly onto my scalp. Then immediately after I apply my Secret Caffeine Scalp Stimulator oil right on top, the tea opens up and primes the scalp and the caffeine oil goes to work stimulating the follicles. Combined, these two are incredibly powerful. One is the perp and one is the treatment. I will link my caffeine oil in the description box if you want to grab it. Method 2 is a leave-in spray. Use it as a leave-in conditioner after washing your hair. Spray this herbal tea onto your strands, not just your scalp. It adds moisture and nutrients without any heaviness. For type 3 and type 4 hair that is always thirsty. This tea is lightweight, so it adds clean layer of hydration in between wash days. Method 3 is use it as a pre-poo treatment before you shampoo. Spray this tea generously all over your scalp and hair. Cover it with a plastic cap or a stem cap and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. This protects your hair from being stripped during the shampoo and delivers nutrients directly to your scalp while your pores are open from the warmth. This is a great step to add to your wash day routine. I've been washing my 4C hair now every 3 to 4 days. Because of that, my scalp is clean. I am experiencing less tangles and breakage. And apart from that too, before my hair can dry out, it's now time for my next wash day. So because I'm now washing my hair every 3 to 4 days, I also include these teas into my routine. I have been using this tea consistently, and the results I'm seeing is how my scalp feels. This reduces itchiness. The way my edges are also responding to it. I'm massaging the tea and the oils into my scalp. What I love most about this recipe is that it is clean, it is natural, it is affordable, and you know exactly what it is that you are putting on your scalp. No harsh chemicals, no mystery ingredients, and no fillers. If you try this recipe, drop a comment below and tell me which method you are going to use first. And if you want a ready-made clean ingredient scalp oil to pair with this tea, my Secrets Caffeine Scalp Stimulator oil uses the same philosophy: simple, clean, natural, and effective. The link is right in the description box. After applying the tea and the oil to your scalp, do not forget to give yourself a gentle scalp stimulation by massaging the treatment into your hair. Make sure you are using your fingertips and not your nails before you cut your scalp. After that, I'm just going to twist this section up and repeat the same thing on the rest of my hair. The next important step is for you to open up your scalp so that this product can better penetrate. To do that, I'm going in with my heat cap. You just put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. You can wear it while moving around your home and giving your hair and your scalp the deep treatment that it needs. Do not forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe so you never miss a new recipe. And I will see you in my next one. Take care of your hair, sis.